Hi, everyone. It's me again, Zachary Pena, your president of the Online Business Student Association. And this is another episode of the Obsa Rewind, where we just discuss things that have been going on in the organization, things we have planned for the future. And we want to hear any questions or concerns you have about the organization itself or events you'd like to see. So jumping right into it, as you can see, the OBSA branded swag hoodies have finally arrived. They say the OBSA logo, Online Business Student Association at Arizona State University. So we do have 15 of these left. We want to get them as the semester closes. We've been giving them out at events, as raffles for events that people have been attending throughout the semester. But as the semester comes to a close here, we do want to send out the rest of them just to show our appreciation and provide even more value to you as a member. So if you're interested, send us an email at wpcarey at wpcareyobsa@gmail.com or email me directly at P as in Paul, E, N as in Nancy, A, 1 at asu.edu. And we can definitely make sure that you get one of these OBSA hoodies. We'll get student funding again next semester in the fall, so we can do a different apparel. If you want hats or polos, let us know. We'll send out surveys to get your feedback and input, because we definitely, as always, want to cater this to your needs and provide value to you specifically as a member. The second thing is tonight we just had our Paychex interview skills workshop. We focused on virtual interview skills, which are a little different than in-person interview skills. But we figured with everything being virtual after this pandemic and everything going on, and moving forward, there are going to be a lot of, especially the screening interviews are going to be virtual. I know CVS, for example, does a pre-recorded virtual interview, and being mindful, some of the topics we covered are being mindful of background. So virtual backgrounds are great because it covers up everything that maybe you don't want people to see if you're in your room or you're in a messier area. Keeping your desk space organized, so just kind of keeping your mind clear. Browser tabs minimized. Don't be looking at other articles, other paper, homework, for example, while you're doing the interview. The presenter, Katie, also made sure that you have water, coffee, something to drink so you don't have to get up during the middle of the interview, dressing appropriately, researching the company so that you can answer industry specific questions, being knowledgeable of what expected salary is, and not essentially limiting yourself and saying that you want a salary that is just so ridiculously high that you'd be making more than the managers, because A, it shows that you really weren't aware of what the market is currently offering, and B, sometimes it just eliminates you immediately from the interview pool. So those were some of the great concepts that we talked about. Unfortunately, we were not able to record this one. We try to record as many as we can for you, and then we post them on the LinkedIn page, the OBSA website, and also Facebook, Slack, all of the social media channels we have there just for you. The third thing I want to talk about, MarketWatch, is still going on. First place, still going to get $50 gift card. Second place is still going to be a $40 gift card. Third place is a $30 gift card. There's only a few more days to make some trades. And again, it's just for fun. It's really just to experience through paper simulation trading without taking the actual risk of losing your own money, kind of what the market is really like, trading in real time, and just having fun with different strategies and seeing what could have happened potentially. The next thing I want to talk about is we're still looking for a VP of events. So we're putting on as many events as we can, Siri Kwan and I, your VP of marketing and president. But it does get, as you may have noticed, we've gone from an event every Monday to an event every other Monday. So that's something where a VP of events specifically dedicated to that position. And we'll be here to support you, coach you through the position as much as we can. I was VP of events at my community college, and I do a lot of the event coordination right now currently. So my main goal is going to be to support you in that position and make sure that you feel comfortable, confident, and competent along the way. If you're interested, again, just reach out to wpcarryobsa@gmail.com or email me directly at zpenya1@asu.edu. And we can definitely set up a informational interview, go through kind of what is expected in the role, the resources we provide to support you in that role, and hopefully get you in the position so you can start gaining experience, adding to your resume, and becoming more marketable for all of those positions you apply to in your specific career field. And the last thing I want to talk about, the fifth thing you need to know as an OBSA member, is that we had last week had our first collaboration with the Association of Human Communication. They are in the College of Communication. And we also collaborated with the Hispanic Business Student Association and the Career Center. So the Career Center came, gave a presentation to all of us. That was also about networking and interviewing and the value of expanding your network, keeping your network up to date. So not just meeting people, connecting on LinkedIn and never talking to them again, but being aware and cognizant of what's going on in their career and just keeping that connection strong throughout time, because you never know. As you know, it's not always what you know, but who you know that opens that initial door and gets you that first step towards landing the job that you really want. So we did record that one. That'll be posted everywhere. And I hope you guys enjoy. I hope all of you enjoy the rest of your week. And if you have any questions, any ideas, or just want to see anything happen in the club that is not currently happening, please reach out and we would love to hear and accommodate that for you. Have a great day.